Today, we will tackle about synthetic division. First of all, what is synthetic division? Synthetic division is the shortcut method of polynomial division in the special case of dividing by a linear factor. Synthetic division is used for determining or finding the roots or zeros of the polynomials. Also, synthetic division is used for getting a depressed equation.
For example, the given is phi of x is equals to x cubed minus 8x squared plus 20x minus 16 is divided by the quantity of x. First, you need to copy the numerical coefficient of all terms. 1 is the first number, so it should be brought down and multiplied to 2. The answer is 2. 2 should then be placed under negative 8. The next step is to add negative 8 and 2, in which the answer is negative 6. Now, negative 6 should be multiplied to 2. The result is negative 12 and it is placed under 20. 20 plus negative 12 is equal to 8. 8 will now be multiplied to 2, giving 16 that will be placed under 16. Negative 16 added to 16 is equals to 0.
Synthetic division is known for its less writing and fewer calculations. Now, what are its advantages? Well, first, it allows a person to calculate even without the use of writing variables. Also, synthetic division uses calculations and doesn't take space on the paper. Now, let us move on to make things clearer.
For getting the roots, phi of x is equals to x cubed plus 6x squared plus 10x plus 3, wherein the constant term is p is equals to 3. Its factors are positive or negative 1 and positive or negative 3. The next step is to get the leading coefficient q is equals to 1. Its factor is positive or negative 1. Phi over q is equals to positive or negative 1 over positive or negative 1 and positive or negative 3 over positive or negative.
Therefore, the possible roots are positive or negative 1 and positive or negative 3. Applying the Descartes rule, phi of x is equals to x cubed plus 6x squared plus 10x plus 3. Remember that there is no variation of signs and no positive zeros. Let us now substitute negative x to x. So it will become p of negative x is equals to negative x raised to 3 plus 6 times the quantity of negative x raised to 2 plus 10 times the quantity of negative x plus 3. So it will become negative x cubed plus 6x squared minus 10x plus 3. There is a 3. This shows that there are 3 variation of signs, 3 possible negative or 1 possible negative, and 2 imaginary integers. The next way is to use synthetic division. 1 is the first number, so it should be brought down and multiplied to negative 3. The answer is negative 3. Negative 3 should be then placed under 6. The next step is to add 6 and negative 3, in which the answer is 3. Now 3 should be multiplied to negative 3. The result is negative 9. And it is placed under 10. 10 plus negative 9 is equals to 1. 1 will now be multiplied to negative 3, giving negative 3 that will be placed under 3. 3 added to negative 3 is equals to 0. The answer will give us x cubed plus 3x plus 1, which is the depressed equation. After getting the depressed equation, we're going to use the quadratic formula to get the other roots, since only negative 3 passed the synthetic division.
Ala!
Let's now move on
flexible ka nga.
to
You need to cope up with your studies.
examples to examples
First reading
to
pa lang,
make clear.
Game,
Oy, binibidyoan mo ako. Shwe.
Tiga-tiga mo.
Lights, camera, action.
Game na!
Synthetic division. Well, first, now, what is our advantages? Ulit. Now, what are... Ano ba yan?
Okay naman. Let's go.
Can I tell you a story of Susan? Come on. 어둠이 지나 숲을 지나 하얀 별이 내려온 세상입니다. 특별할 것도 나도 없는 밤 나 고개를 든 뒤나 눈부신 발견에 저기 높은 곳에서